Take ownership. Take extreme ownership. Don't make excuses. Don't blame any other persons or any other things. Get control of your ego. Don't hide. Your delicate prides form the truth. Take ownership of everything in the world that's good and the bad. Take ownership of your mistake. Take ownership of your shortfalls and take ownership of your problems and then take ownership of your solutions. That will get those problems solved.
You're never ever going to feel like doing the things you need to do in order to have what you want.
One of the things I have realized, and many of us have, if you want something out of life, if you want to change yourself, if you want to acquire something, if there are some goals that you want to reach, that is really not easy. As some people will make us feel that living your dreams, changing your behaviors, overcoming negative habits, it's challenging, it's hard. That living alone is very difficult. Once we begins to come to grips with the facts that living is difficult, life is very challenging. So how do we begin to nurture that anger? One of the characteristics of the quality of the peoples that are angry. What will it takes for me to get some of the things that I want and being angry for those things? Number one, you have got to work on yourself. It's very important that you engage in an ongoing process to develop you. Spend more time on yourself than what you have been spending.
Take ownership of your missions, take ownership of your jobs, of your teams, of your futures, and take ownership of your life and lead yourself. And the people in your life, lead them all to victory. Always going to need your push yourself. You're always going to need your parent yourself. Unless you understand that you have got to parent yourself, you got to push yourself, you are not gonna make your dream your comes true. You're just not. You're not very that way. Your parents born that way. You parents that way when you are growing up, and you are certainly not the way as an adult. And these are the tremendous amounts of the liberations that comes when you accepted the fact that you're always going to need to give yourself a push. It's very important you owe that to yourself. Many of us never realize our greatness because we become sidetracked by secondary activity. Because you are the creator, your own production. You are the star of your show. You are the director. You are the writer of the script that you will determine whether your life is. You are determined that working on yourself, talking to yourself, that's very important.